So by now you should have seen a bit of a pattern when it comes to the ages of those who recover and those who become zombies. Now we need to narrow down, where is this virus coming from? Today you are going to investigate the source of the virus. So you need to look at the map that I have also included for you on slides 6 and 7. What we have here is, if I could go to the next slide, there we go. I'm sorry, it's 9, slide 9 and 10. You'll see that we have a map of the United States for those of you who need a little assistance when identifying where the states are located. So you're going to have to go back and reference the sheet from the beginning with the all the data of those who are being quarantined at the airport to see where all of the infected are traveling from. So suppose you identify someone who's coming from Nebraska. On the next slide, you'll have to find Nebraska, which is right here in the center, and they're basically going to be coming from what we consider the Midwest part of the United States, okay? That's why you need both maps. The one map before this, again, shows the states where they're located, and then the next map shows where the states are broken down by region. So that way you can accumulate all of the information from where everyone is traveling from, and then create a bar graph. So after you tally up everybody, so anyone that's being quarantined right now, where they're coming from. And what you're going to do is just take these little bars here. Oops, go back. I have to stop presenting, but you can drag these up or down to make them as high or as low as you need to show how many people in each area from each region had traveled to Portland and are infected. Because I think you might see a pattern too where this disease might be originating from, okay? Now, after you do that, you're going to make a list of what you know so far. So what conclusions can you draw from the data after plotting it on your bar graph? Where are infected people coming from? Do you think maybe the virus might thrive in certain areas of the United States? And I am also asking you to diagnose virus X, okay? So today's diagnosis, you are going to go back to that form, the original patient data, and write down only the symptoms of those who become zombies and only write one symptom per row. So for example, if I go back to this page, I see Sky, 20 years old, has a stomach ache and a headache. So those are two symptoms right there. I would write stomach ache. On the next line, I would write headache. And I'm going to tally up how many people that became zombies had a stomach ache. So Sky had one. Let's recover, sorry. Oh, here. Andre has a stomach ache. So that would be 2. And I think that's it. So that would be like 2 tallies, unless there was one on the bottom that was cut off. But you'll tally up how many zombies had stomach aches, how many zombies had headaches, so on and so forth, okay? After you diagnose that, writing one symptom per row, the last thing I want you to do is diagnose virus X right here, okay? You are going to write a short article that can be published on the CDC's website explaining everything you've discovered about virus X so far. So you'll have information about the age groups it affects, the region of the United States where most infected people are traveling from, and for those who do not recover and become zombies, what are the most common symptoms that they face, okay? So you're going to write a short article to inform the public about what you have discovered so far. Those are the only slides you have to do. So to back up, you're going to discover where the virus is originating from. You are also going to help diagnose virus X by looking at the symptoms. We will finish this up tomorrow, and I bet you'll have a really good idea on people that really need to be informed and ways to help people stop becoming infected with virus X, okay? Have a great day. Bye. If I could stop it. And stop.